He stood up for this agency in Washington, D.C. to get federal drug asset forfeiture money released to us, $351,000 that we needed tremendously to buy equipment to protect our citizens in this county. And he did it, no questions asked. He understands, I think, the importance of law enforcement. I want to thank the citizens of Alamance County for supporting this agency during the terrible ordeal. And believe me, it was terrible. Last but certainly not least, I want to thank my wife and family. My wife there, for standing with me. I would like to add the employees of the Alamance County Sheriff's Office serve the citizens of Alamance County with dignity and honor through the entire ordeal. Thank you.
Not much to be said to follow that. Today we are here to celebrate a victory for Alamance County, and really a victory for the rule of justice and for the law. As this administration has done time and time again, they attack someone who refused to enforce their political agenda. This time it was different though. When you attack our community, we fight back. We didn't just fight, we won. I'm proud to stand with Sheriff Terry Johnson, Chief Deputy Tim Britt, and the entire law enforcement community of Alamance County. The Sheriff's Office has continued to serve and to protect the people of Alamance County with honor and distinction, even during some difficult and dark days. The danger of what happened should not be lost though. Let's not just move on from the situation, let's learn from it. The Department of Justice came into our community and wasted taxpayers' dollars by protecting or prosecuting a law enforcement agency that was actually simply just trying to do their jobs. They froze money, blocked necessary and important grants, and caused funds that needed to be spent on Alamance County and the protection of its people to be spent on defending this needless lawsuit. This money should have been spent investing jobs, building schools, put back into our education arena, and opportunities for all of our students. Instead, it went defending our community from political attacks, placing the deputies and the citizens of Alamance County really at risk in this process. It was a needless lawsuit. The court judgment stated, and I quote, "Not a single person testified that any Alamance County Sheriff's employee carried out any alleged improper directive or otherwise violated any individual's constitutional rights." I'm going to repeat that. Not a single person testified that any Alamance County Sheriff's Office employee carried out any alleged improper directive or otherwise violated any individual's constitutional rights. The leaders in this law enforcement community that you've seen and just heard from were courageous to stand up to the administration's wrongful suit and its policies of intimidation. I am proud of the work that my office great staff did to insist that the Justice Department free up frozen Alamance County funds and right some of the wrongs that have occurred here. It is my hope that Sheriff Johnson and his department can move forward and continue protecting the citizens of Alamance County. And finally, just a bit off script here, let me say this. Sheriff Johnson may not always phrase with the most eloquence, he may not always run with a high society, but I will tell you, in the several years that I've known him, he's a good man, and he loves Alamance County and its people, and it's my privilege to serve alongside with him. God bless you, Sheriff.